Hey guys, welcome back to another video. As you saw in our last video, I took all the rat's nests of the wiring out of my quad, and since then I've actually put in a new CDI that's originally for a Yamaha Big Bear 350, but it has all the same plugs, so hopefully it works. I also got a new coil, a new switch cluster, and a new key switch. That was, I think, all about maybe $100 altogether. And then today we have this. This is a brand new full wiring harness for the main harness. They don't sell this on Partzilla, I don't think, but this is literally all the right connectors and everything, and it's just wires, so how bad can the Chinese one really be?
And where did you get this on?
I got this on Amazon, like 2-day shipping, and it was $80. I think this works for 87 and 88. 89, they take a couple plugs away, and it's a little different. But we're gonna get started by basically unplugging everything that I plugged in after last video, and then we're gonna take the gas tank off and get to pulling the rest of the wiring harness. Alright guys, so we just got the old wiring harness off. That little time lapse you saw of us taking that off, it was a little bit of a pain in the butt, but as you can see, the tank is off, and we got all the wiring out. Everything, there's a whole bunch of connectors at the back. All the connectors, we got everything off and pushed it all through. So let me put this stuff down. Oh, it's a little tangled. So all we have to do to the wiring harness now is take off these relays. I left them on just because I wanted to make sure I matched all the wires. So when I put them on the new harness, everything matches and goes on okay without it being like totally disastrous. So the only original wiring that's going to be on this machine is actually going to be, if you come over this way, is going to be, for now, the starter solenoid, which is super ratty and kind of just...
You have to leave that on there?
I don't have...
That whole thing?
I don't have a new one.
But the wires too?
Yeah. We'll take this one off, but all this other stuff has got to stay.
Okie dokie. But yeah, it's kind of a pain in the butt. We had to like.
And then the only other original part will be the voltage regulator back here, along with the relays. But everything else, like CDI, everything, it's gonna be basically just brand new. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna just kind of like snake everything through the way it was, along with putting on the relays onto the new harness. We might take you through that a little bit. It kind of it comes down through here, all the way on this side through a little hook here, another hook right here, and dips down through, goes
under there,
under
like
here,
airbox intake,
and then goes right to the start, this side of the start, or yeah, this wire right here of the start.
All the relays on as well.
Yeah, just kind of.
They just sit on those little mounts.
Yeah.
So yeah, we'll get started on installing the new harness.
Yep.
Okay, guys, we are partway through the wiring harness installation. Excuse me. We got the front all set up here. It's all janky looking because we didn't mount the CDI box yet and stuff. But all the plugs on this harness were actually correct. There was only one that was miscolored up front, but it was very easy to identify.
And there was one thing missing.
Oh yeah, we didn't plug in this yet. I don't know what that is. What's that?
That goes up here.
Oh yeah, the dash. So I need to plug that in. I'll do that next. But round back, Cameron is working here. He said that the brake sensor cables, like connections, are not there, like brake light one. Yep. But his doesn't have a brake light anyway, so it's okay for this application. But that's that blue double plug we believe is for the brake light, so it's gonna be loose. But yeah, so far this wiring harness is pretty nice. Hopefully Cameron can find the link and maybe put it in the description for you guys if you guys need one of these.
Yeah, I'll put a link to all the electronics I used, but only if this works. Only if this works.
Yeah, so yeah, it's going smoothly so far. So we'll check in once everything is hooked up, and we'll probably test it then. So yep.
All right, guys. Well, we replaced the wiring harness, put it all back on, connected everything up, and it's kind of having the same problem I was having with the old wiring harness, where it's just one spark and then nothing. So it's either like a bad coil, bad CDI, or bad stator, or bad voltage regulator.
Because that's the only.
So those are the only. Like, those are the only things that make sense. So the coil could be just bad from the factory.
But
the ground is already like connected and everything. So
it didn't seem like it could be. So if you guys have any idea, please let us know in the comments.
yeah,
For common problems with one spark.
I'll probably end up replacing the stator, and the. I'm going to replace the starter solenoid, and I'm probably going to replace the relays, and the fuse and the voltage regulator. So it'll just have all brand new electronics. But that'll probably be it for this video. And I'm going to be going to replace the voltage regulator, the starter solenoid, and the stator in a future video. That'll probably be it for this video. Please like and subscribe. Check out the other video of me actually riding this. And then we have a video of like the full review along with I think a comparison that's actually doing pretty well. So yeah, please go check out some videos on Jacob's quad and this one.
And please let us know if you have any idea. That would help out a lot.
Yeah. See you guys later.